All right, you guys, welcome to class for your first asynchronous learning day where you can watch this anytime on Friday before 3. So please take notes in your notebook. This is lesson 5, sets, absolute value, addition of signed numbers. So first of all, what's a set? It's just a collection of objects, things, or numbers. So we always write a set like this, where we have like a capital letter and it equals, and then we do these brackets and we separate our numbers with commas. So for example, this is the set of natural numbers or counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it keeps going, so we use the dot, dot, dot. And of course, the set of integers includes all the negatives and positives and 0. No decimals or percents or anything like that in these, so that would be your set of numbers that are integers. Okay, absolute value. So write down that absolute value means distance from 0. Okay, so the absolute value of 0. How far away is 0 from 0? It is 0 units away from 0. Notice I got rid of the absolute value bars. All right, so these are called absolute value bars. We dropped those. All right, the absolute value of -5. So how far away is -5 from 0? Well, it is a distance of 5 units away. Notice we dropped the negative sign and I got rid of the bars. All right. What is the absolute value of -7.12? So how far away is -7.12 from 0? Well, it's 7.12 units away. Notice there's no negative sign because I'm taking the absolute value of it and I dropped the bars. Okay. What's the absolute value of +5? How far away is +5 from 0? Well, it's 5 units away. Notice I kept it positive and I dropped off the bars. Okay. Same thing here. How far away is this number from 0? It's 7.12 units away. And how far away from 0 is 3/4? It's 3/4 units away. What do all of these have in common? They're all positive. That's because it's a distance, and distances are always positive. And I dropped the absolute value bars. All right, make sure you write these in your notes. So what is the absolute value of 11 minus 2? Start by subtracting these on the inside. So I drew my bars. What's 11 minus 2? 11 minus 2 is 9. Then take the absolute value of 9. The absolute value of 9 is 9. All right, and then I'm going to box my answer. So my final answer is +9. All right, on this next one, the negative sign that's out here is the last thing we do. So first, evaluate what's inside of the absolute value bars. So 20 minus 2 is 18. Notice I still have the absolute value bars here. And then I say, what is the absolute value of 18? Well, how far away from 0 is 18? Well, it's 18 units away. Okay, and I got rid of the bars. However, this negative sign that's on the outside, it was not affected by the bars. It's still just hanging out in the front. So the answer here is -18. Okay, addition of signed numbers. So signs are just positives and negatives. So we just want to add +3 and -5. I know most of you know the answer to this, but I'm going to show you guys on a number line. So I've got +3. So I'm going to start at 0 and I'm going to go to the right 3. Okay, now I'm at +3. And now I'm going to add -5. So -5 goes to the left. And that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So notice I counted from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I ended up on -2. All right. So this is just 3 plus -5 equals -2. And I showed it with a number line. Okay. So can we add those in either order? Either order. So what's -5 plus 3? That would be -2. What's 3 plus -5? That would be -2. So what property is this? This is called the commutative property of addition. So basically you can add in either order and you still get the same answer. All right. When does this not work? Probably with subtraction. If I switch it like this, what if I have 3 minus 5 and 5 minus 3? What's 3 minus 5? -2. What's 5 minus 3? +2. So can I switch it like that with the subtraction sign? No. I can only switch it if I'm adding and I keep these numbers the same, these values the same. All right, so that's called the commutative property of addition. So the order does not affect the sum, okay? And finally, use directed numbers to add all of this fun. So I've got -4. I'm going to start at 0, and I'm going to go left 4 because it's a negative. Okay, then I'm going to add 2. I'm starting at -4. I'm going over 1, 2. So now I'm at -2. Now I'm going to add -1. -1 goes to the left. So I'm starting here, and I'm going to the left 1 unit. And now I'm going to add 5. Again, I'm starting here now, and I'm going to add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got to end right here because I'm counting those units, okay? Final answer is +2. Let's just double check that. So what is -4 plus 2 if we started right here? Good, that's -2. I'm going to pretend like you guys answered me. Okay, now I'm going to do from left to right because that's order of operations, these two. This is a -1, sorry. Oops. So -2 plus -1, that's -3. And I still have to add the 5. And now -3 plus 5 is +2, which is the same thing I got by doing this really fun number line. Do you have to do this number line on your homework? No. It does tell you to do it in the book. I am okay if you show this work, but show every step where you're adding from left to right, okay? All right, you guys, have a lovely Friday, a lovely weekend. Hope you guys watch this video by 3 p.m. and you can start on your set and your homework, which is due on Monday. Be sure you guys correct the odds and grade the odds by highlighting the number and showing me that you got it correct. And we will grade the evens in class on Monday. I will see you guys soon. Have a good one.